This is pretty nice. F250. It has some nice 33-inch tires. The damage is a little bit too much for me, but I know most people could easily get this sorted. Minor framework probably. No crazy suspension damage. And just the front end. It looks like everything in the back is good. Side is good. Interior is in perfect condition. All the windows are good. Airbags didn't deploy. So it can't be that bad, I guess, since the airbag didn't deploy. I'm not getting a lot of comments about trucks. Do you guys want to see more trucks? Let me know down below. What do you guys think of damage like this, where it's just a wheel that's broken off, maybe subframe damage? But these are like pretty straightforward repairs in my opinion. Like, you don't really need to source that many parts. This would be a good flipper car, but it has like 250,000 miles. This is the exact opposite of that black GT350 V6 Mustang, and somehow they managed to crash this. What, going 50 miles per hour? Wow, this WRX is completely destroyed. Front end and this entire side. How fast do you think he was going to damage the car this badly? Okay, another WRX that's totaled from these kids probably street racing them. If you own one, how much do you pay for insurance? Okay, this is getting a little bit out of hand. Every other car here is a WRX that's totaled. This is